Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The ZF6 HP automatic gearbox is a highly regarded 6-speed automatic transmission developed by ZF Friedrichshafen AG. Introduced in 2000, it was a significant advancement in automatic transmission technology, offering improved fuel economy and faster, smoother shifts compared to its 5-speed predecessors. History and versions. The ZF6 HP series began with the 6 HP 26 in 2000, first appearing in the BMW 7 Series, E65, in 2001. This was the original, robust version rated for up to 600 Nm, 443 lb-ft of torque. Subsequent versions were developed for different applications and torque capacities. 6 HP 19. A lighter-duty version of the 6 HP 26, rated for 400 Nm, 295 lb-ft of torque, used in less demanding applications. 6 HP 32. A heavy-duty version, rated for 750 Nm, 553 lb-ft of torque. 6 HP 28. A second-generation version introduced around 2007. Offering improved fuel consumption and shift dynamics due to enhancements in electro-hydraulic control and software. 6 HP 19A, 6 HP 26A, 6 HP 32. A variations designed for four-wheel drive applications with an integrated transfer case. 6 HP 26X, 6 HP 26Z. Variations for 4WDs with a separate transfer box. Cars in which it was installed. The ZF6 HP transmission was widely adopted by many premium and performance car manufacturers due to its blend of efficiency and performance. Some notable installations include BMW, numerous models across the 1, 3, 5, 6, 7 Series, X3, X5, and Z4 e-chassis models, pre-LCI and LCI, depending on the version. Audi, A4, S4, A6, 8, S6, RS6, Q7, primarily 4WD versions with A or X/Z suffixes. Jaguar, S-Type, XJ, XK/XKR, XF. Land Rover, Range Rover Sport, Discovery 3/LR3, Discovery 4/LR4. Ford, Falcon BF, FG, FGX, turbocharged inline-6, and V8. Territory, AWD. Maserati, Gran Turismo, Quattroporte. Aston Martin, DB9, DBS V12, Rapide, Virage, Vanquish. Bentley, Continental GT, Flying Spur, Arnage, Brooklands. Hyundai, Genesis Sedan, V8, Equus. Kia, Mojave. Rolls-Royce, Phantom Drop Head Coupe. Volkswagen, Phaeton. Review and opinions. The ZF6 HP was generally well regarded for its smooth shifting. Users often praise its seamless and precise gear changes, especially after proper maintenance. Efficiency. Compared to older automatics, it offered significant improvements in fuel economy, partly due to its ability to lock up the torque converter in all gears at lower engine speeds. Performance. It allowed for quicker acceleration and responsive driving, often with sport and manual modes, Switchtronic, for more dynamic control. Durability. With proper maintenance, many units have proven to be durable and reliable, with some vehicles exceeding 200,000 miles on the original transmission when regularly serviced. However, opinions can vary, especially concerning maintenance, with some expressing frustration over early sealed for life marketing claims. Advantages. Improved fuel economy. Better than previous 4 and 5-speed automatics. Compact and lightweight. Despite more gears, it was shorter and lighter than its 5-speed predecessor, e.g., 6 HP 26 versus 5 HP 24. Faster and smoother shifts contributed to a more refined and engaging driving experience. Adaptive shift logic. Electronically controlled to adapt to driving styles. Torque converter lockup. Engages earlier and in more gears, reducing energy loss. Skip shift capability. Unlike some other transmissions, like early DCDs, it could skip gears, e.g., 6 to second, allowing for quicker downshifts. Disadvantages: sealed for life, misconception. While ZF initially promoted this, it often led to neglected maintenance, ultimately shortening the transmission's lifespan. ZF and many specialists now recommend fluid changes. Sensitivity to fluid condition. The transmission is highly sensitive to the quality and level of its fluid. Overheating and contamination are major causes of failure. Complexity. The mechatronic unit, integrated hydraulic valve body and ECU, is a sophisticated component that can be costly to repair or replace if it fails. Faults and breakdowns. Common issues and reasons for failure in the ZF6 HP transmissions include overheating. This is a primary cause of fluid degradation and premature wear of internal components like gears, clutches, and seals. Fluid contamination. Debris, dirt, or metal shavings in the fluid can cause abrasive wear, clog passages, and reduce hydraulic pressure. Lack of maintenance. Neglecting regular fluid and filter changes allows contaminants to build up and fluid properties to degrade, increasing the risk of failure. Valve body issues. Mechatronic, this is a very common problem. Issues such as sticking valves, wear, or damage within the mechatronic unit can lead to erratic shifting, harsh engagement, slipping, or complete transmission failure. The electrical sealing sleeve between the mechatronic and the transmission casing is also a known leak point. Torque converter problems. Failures in the torque converter, such as lock-up clutch issues or fluid leaks, can cause overheating, slipping, or harsh shifting. Early lockup strategies and aggressive ECU settings in some applications also put increased stress on the lockup clutch. Gear selector switches. Hall effect switches within the transmission control module, TCM, can wear out over time, leading to issues. Worn-out bushes can lead to vibration and oil leaks. Slipping and harsh shifts, often a symptom of degraded fluid, worn clutches, or mechatronic issues, can manifest as delays in engaging drive or reverse, or rough shifts between specific gears, e.g., second to third, third to fourth. Oil and oil change. What oil? The ZF6 HP transmissions require specific automatic transmission fluid, ATF. The OEM fluid is ZF Lifeguard 6. Many car manufacturers like BMW refer to it by their own specifications, e.g., BMW ATF2. It's crucial to use the correct fluid that meets the Dextran 6 D6 specification, as using the wrong type can lead to problems. Some aftermarket equivalents exist, but verify they meet the ZF Lifeguard 6 standard. Ford vehicles equipped with ZF6 HP units might specify Mercon SP. Oil capacity. The total capacity for the ZF6 HP transmission is typically around 9 to 9.5 liters, approximates September 5th, 10 quarts. However, a standard drain and fill only replaces about 6 to 7 liters, as a significant amount remains in the torque converter and other internal passages. A full fluid flush is needed to replace all the fluid. Oil change interval. While some car manufacturers initially stated sealed for life or very long intervals, e.g., 100,000 miles for BMW, 240,000 kilometers per 10 years for Land Rover, ZF, the manufacturer, recommends changing the oil and filter every 60,000 miles or 90,000 kilometers under normal use, and even more frequently, half that, for arduous conditions, e.g., towing, spirited driving, city traffic. Many specialists advocate for changes around 60,000 to 80,000 miles for optimal longevity. Oil change procedure, general steps, consult service manual for specifics. Preparation. The car should be level. It's often recommended to let the transmission cool down. Drain. Remove the drain plug on the transmission oil pan and drain the old fluid. Remove pan and filter. The oil filter is typically integrated into the plastic oil pan, so the entire pan is replaced. Remove the bolts holding the pan, and then remove the pan/filter assembly. Replace seals. Crucially, replace the mechatronic sealing sleeves, often called 4 tubes and 1 square figure of 8 seal, and the electrical connector sleeve. These are common leak points, and their failure can cause pressure issues. Install new pan/filter. Install the new plastic oil pan with the integrated filter and a new gasket. Refill. This is a precise process. Add new fluid until it starts to trickle out of the fill plug, located on the side of the transmission. Start the engine and let it idle. Cycle through all gear positions, P, R, N, D, and sometimes manually selecting lower gears, pausing briefly in each. This helps circulate the fluid and fill the torque converter. With the engine still running and the car in park, monitor the transmission fluid temperature, ideally with diagnostic equipment or an infrared thermal gun. Continue adding fluid until a small stream overflows from the fill plug, ensuring the fluid temperature is within the specified range, typically 35 to 50 degrees Celsius or 95 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Filling outside this temperature range can lead to incorrect fluid levels. Tighten plugs. Install and tighten the fill and drain plugs to the specified torque. Adaptation reset, optional but recommended after a fluid change. Some specialists recommend resetting the transmission adaptations using diagnostic software. This allows the transmission's ECU to relearn optimal shift points and pressures with a new fluid, especially if the old fluid was heavily degraded. However, some argue against resetting adaptations if the transmission was functioning relatively well, as it might initially lead to rougher shifts while it relearns. Regular and proper maintenance, including timely fluid and filter changes, is key to the longevity and smooth operation of the ZF6 HP automatic gearbox. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.